Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. Recently, Nokia announced their new Nokia N1 tablet, but so did they announce the new Nokia Z launcher. And today, we are going to be taking a closer look at how the Nokia Z launcher functions on another phone. Let's get started. Moving in from the lock screen, we are greeted with this. What this is a collection of apps that you regularly access. So for myself, I access the Atlas browser, Facebook, YouTube, the Downloads app, WhatsApp, as well as Fruit Ninja because I like playing Fruit Ninja. If you move over here, you get the time. And this is just a fancy way to represent the time. I don't know what difference this makes. Holding either of these doesn't do anything. Moving here, I don't know if this is a bug or if this is supposed to happen, but it's been saying it's been updating for about 7-8 hours now, and I'm not connected to Wi-Fi right now, but I've tried connecting it with Wi-Fi and it's still been the same. But you may wonder, where are the widgets? Well, that's exactly what I thought. So like, you can't swipe or do anything. You can only swipe here and there, and this is running on the HTC One M8. You can't scroll down. The one neat feature, as you saw, is you can search directly from your home screen. So for example, you're looking for YouTube. You can just type in Y-O-U, and this practically searches your phone. So there we go, YouTube, YouTube creators, YouTube trends, all of that good stuff. One complaint I did find with this launcher is the fact that you can't search multiple things together. So like if I type in you, it's unresponsive, which is just dumb in my opinion because it's supposed to search words, so why not type in the whole word? For example, face. It should search for face, but unfortunately it doesn't do that. Just like on any regular Android launcher, you do have the dock of icons, albeit they are pretty small compared to the Sense UI, but you do get them. Call, messaging, browser, and camera, and all of them work just fine. Moving into the apps drawer, something different again. It's a scroll version of the app rather than an iconated version of the app, which is pretty different from what we're used to seeing, except TouchWiz supports this as well. So in my opinion, it's not really a bad thing for Nokia to do. However, moving through such a long list of icons may be tedious for some, and they may want it in a grid-like manner where they can see, 20 icons at once, like on the Sense UI. But other than that, you don't get pretty much anything. You can't search from here. All you do is scroll down, and you can hold this to scroll down faster. I also noticed when you open up an app, let's say Downloads, there's a small amount of lag before that opens up. So Nokia may want to fix that in a future update. Speaking of updates, I did receive one just yesterday. And speaking of customization, there isn't much you can do. You can search the web, like I showed you. Web suggestions pop up from Google. You can change the way your temperature works, so you can change it to Celsius or Fahrenheit, according to which region you are. You can reset to default. You can reset identifiers, so it won't associate anything that you've searched before. It's also got an update feature built in, so you can check for updates, but I don't have Wi-Fi connected, so I won't do so right now. And it also has this thing where you can make it access notifications if you so do like. But other than that, is a pretty simplistic UI in my opinion, and Nokia could have done much more in order to impress Android fans out there, other than building an Android tablet in the N1. Well, that's been it. This sums up my review of the Nokia Z launcher. In my opinion, it is nothing great from an ordinary launcher, and unless it gets some few tweaks and customizations where it becomes something useful like searching for whole words rather than searching with letters, I might give it another try. But for now, I think sticking to Google Now Launcher or the default launchers such as Sense or TouchWiz is a better option in my opinion. And at the present moment, I'd rate this a 3 out of 5. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was informative, and hopefully you learned something new today. As always, leave a like below and subscribe to see more videos in the near future. But for now, I'm out. Peace out.